I installed everything for you guys working on a text. Things to consider: gas hose number 1 over here. Let's see if I can lift the tank. All right here, can you see the connections, the electrical connections on the tank? Well, it's kind of dark, but what you see, the first is the gas. Second, next to the gas is the brown connection, and then the black. And on the other side, this hose balancing, gas balancing number 3 for the tank. And on the other side, right over here, it's dark, it's getting dark over here. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see here. Let's see if I can get out of here a little bit. Okay, right behind over here is gas connection number 3. Okay, you have to consider these 3 hoses. They balance, the gas for the shape of the tank, and that's where you want to connect, the pinch tool on each of them, and then the vacuum caps that I show you in the video number 1. If I have a chance, I'm going to put, the links of the material that I bought on Amazon, so you guys can go ahead and grab that. Oh, the moment of truth now is everything is installed, booster plug in place. So I just connected the battery, and let's see what's going on here. All right, so sorry guys, I have to hold the clutch and then crank the engine. It's kind of hard. Let's see how I can do this. All right, so I'm grabbing over here, holding the great. So it is working. That's the ABS alarm. It'll stop over 5 miles. So Jens, congratulations. It works as usual. Great product. If you have any questions, just shoot an email. I'll talk to Jens. He's very helpful, responding emails and messages, and leave a comment if you need something, okay? I'll be traveling probably next week, so I'm getting my bag ready. Have fun. See you on the road.